Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Getac's next generation B360 laptops. So friends, Getac Technology has announced the launch of its next generation B360 and B360 Pro fully rugged laptops, delivering exceptional connectivity, reliability and computing performance to professionals working in challenging environments. And both laptops feature a wide range of upgrades and refinements, simplifying difficult computing tasks in demanding conditions. And the key features include an upgraded Intel Core 12th generation i5 and i7 processors with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, and for remarkable performance, responsiveness, and rich visuals. And a 256 GB PCIe NVMe SSD as standard offers ample storage, while the 13.3-inch Full HD LumiBond display with Getac Sunlight Readable Technology and capacitive touchscreen helps maintain productivity around the clock. And the B360 Pro takes this even further with optimal NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4GB discrete graphics controller plus an optional media bay that can accommodate a third SATA SSD, third battery, and DVD drives as required. And friend, both laptops offer extended connectivity option, keeping users connected even more remote or isolated environments. This include Wi-Fi 6EX 211, 802.11ax, and Bluetooth 5.3H standard, as well as optional 4G LTE or 5G sub-6 with integrated GPS. And friend, both laptops will be available in April. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.